Hey there, Year 11 VCAL Numeracy class, Mr. Herman here, and this video is going to be talking about what to expect for Term 3, for the first week anyways, for Term 3 for Numeracy in 2020 while doing remote learning. As we have been put into remote learning and teaching at a very awkward time, I had to give you guys two tests for Part A and for Part B of the finance logs. Now obviously I cannot provide this as we're not at school, so instead it is up to you guys to get this resource, which I can show you in a second, to be able to either download it or even print it and potentially write on it if that's possible, and then upload it again back onto Compass or Microsoft Teams. These actual tests are to go onto your reports, and they will help you within passing Unit 2 for Intermediate VCAL Numeracy. To find the resources, when you head to a VCAL Intermediate Maths class, you're going to click on Resources here. Now you will be provided with three different folders. Outcome 2, Unit 1, the Financial Mathematics folder is the one that you want to go into. And here you can see all the relevant information that you need for you to complete for Log Sheet Part A and Log Sheet Part B. Now there has been quite a bit of alterations for Part B Log Sheet because we were cramped for time. So if you were at school during this time, you know which log sheets to cross off. That is awesome. If you do not know, please give me the heads up and I can tell you which ones we are doing and which ones we are not doing. You'll also notice that there are two files here, Financial Cat A, which belongs to Part A of the finance topic, and Financial Cat B. You will go ahead and click on these and open them up, and if possible, print them off for you to write on. The Financial Cat A have questions to do with markups, discounts, and finding proportions or percentages of certain prices. You are to answer all the relevant questions. The first 10 are multiple choice, and then you have a short answer as well. If you have the ability to print, there's a section on the right hand side that you can fill this out. If you can't print, then you would just put these answers within your numeracy books, making sure that you write the subtitle for multiple choice over here. The question number, you don't have to write the question out, just the question number, and which answer it belongs to for the multiple choice, A, B, C, or D. Then with the short answer, so heading short answer, again, question 1, I, and then provide the answer for this. Now, it's important that when it comes to the short answer questions that you show all the relevant working out, because there are marks associated accordingly. I will say this, the short answer question for this one is a bit confusing. It says for each of these situations, state the profit or loss that's been made, the amount of profit or loss, and the percentage profit or loss, correct 2 decimal places of each of these 4 situations here. Okay, so you're answering 1A, I, 2I, 3I, 1B, I, 2I, 3I, etc. The other cat, Financial Cat B, has questions to do with simple interest. Now you'll notice that some of these questions have been crossed off. This is because this has to do with compound interest, which I actually took out of the log. So we didn't visit these questions. We didn't have time to, and as a result, these questions, quite a few of them with a multiple choice, have been taken out. So if you see crosses or lines through these questions, it just means do not do them. As a result, how much each certain question is worth has been altered accordingly. Again, if you don't have the ability to print this off, make sure you write a short answer, question 1A, and then show all the relevant working out. All up, this one here is worth 21 marks. You can also find these resources within the Files tab of our Year 11 VCAL Numeracy channel. When you click on Files, go to Class Materials, and here there's a folder called Outcome 3 Finance. In here, again, all the relevant information, all the relevant documents rather, for Part A and Part B can be found here. And you can also see that sorry, it took me a while just to figure out where they were. Financial Cat A and B can be found within here as well. When it comes to uploading the work, I have created a learning task in here. And here you can see there are two of them, Outcome 2A Financial Cat A and Outcome 2B Financial Cat B. You go ahead and submit this by taking a photo of your actual work and uploading it onto here. Now, alternatively, you can take a picture and upload it and then send it straight to me on Microsoft Teams. That is completely fine. I will just go ahead and tell the Compass system that it has been received on my end, so that way you don't see a not submitted within the actual learning task itself. Now, the due date for this work, which I'm going to put up on the screen now, is due on the 13th of August. So 1 week's time from now, you'll have to upload both Part A and Part B Finance Cats. I'll be chasing up those people who haven't uploaded it within that time. I have not put a due date within the system, so you gotta be proactive when it comes to this and make sure that you upload it on time. If you have any technological difficulties, please tell me in advance, whether through Microsoft Teams or through an email. I need to know, so that way I'm aware that there's some trouble for you to upload certain work, okay? If you need help with the actual test itself, technically I can't help you by providing the solution because it is deemed a test. However, in saying that, you have all the resources readily available for you to use, i.e. the internet, your resource book. I can direct you in a way that I can provide certain formulas for you to use, or recommend certain formulas for you to use that we visited, but I can't just simply give you the answer. That concludes this video. Next week, which I believe is, let's just have a look. Next week on the 11th is when we'll be starting our new topic. I'll talk about that later on. I'm still trying to organize everything and talking to Ms. McLean in regards to that. So watch this space. I'll keep you guys posted. Until then, I'll see you guys soon.